Okay. Okay. So, ano yung final say mo dun sa God conquered the world, tsaka yung sa John 16:33? Ano yung may advice mo sa kanila in the midst of how are you in the midst of hardship? Kung ikaw ang
May,
magbibigay ng advice.
kung ako magbibigay ng advice, I will just, ang ano kasi rito is, we'll go back on how is your Christian life eh? How is your Christian, what is your relationship with God right now?
Hindi, for those Christians na,
For those Christian that are like for those Christians that are struggling,
like me. Like
okay,
me. So,
those
what
Christians
will you
that are
advise me?
struggling, it's just keep a close relationship with God. That's always the key. Kasi pag wala tayong very close relationship with God and we're not reading, we're not meditating the word, and we're not praying every day, ang hirap pag may mga struggles in life.
Minsan
But-
tagal pa, no?
Pero pag, let's say every day you have a close relationship with God and you're praying and you know that God is there and you're always talking to God, I don't know, it's not, I know God is not doing magic, but it's just deep inside of you, you just have peace, and I couldn't explain that.
Yeah, pero nangyayari
just
pa rin ba
couldn't
sa'yo yung napipissed off ka dahil sobrang tagal naman, Lord?
For now I'm not praying for it. I'm not saying that, but I don't know, it didn't really happen to me yet, and I'm praying to God that, Lord, I'm not maybe ready for that big one, but if you have that,
Yung answer, napakatagal.
oh,
Napipissed off ka ba din?
I've been there. So let's talk about my migration in Canada. It took me 7 years.
Right, yeah, tama. Ang
It
tagal
took,
nun, ha?
it took
8
me
years,
7 years to get my
7 years,
permanent
oh.
resident, and my wife was crying, and my wife says,
Oh,
maybe
right.
you're not, hindi talaga para tayo dyan, hindi tayo para Canada, but
Yeah.
I told my wife, okay, I'll go home.
Pero,
Kaya umuwi ako, but binigay pa rin ng Panginoon, but grabe yung struggle nung time na yun.
pero ano,
7
you're
years
standing
away
still
from your
and your
family,
faith
but
is still the same, yeah.
I'm still standing, but bakit ginawa ng Panginoon yun? Para to comfort other new immigrants, just like you,
Oo.
to comfort you. John, I've been there for 7 years. Grabe yung struggle ko, iyak ng asawa ko sa akin. Pag hindi ko sinisi ang Panginoon, hindi ako umabot doon, but almost there.
Oo.
Kaya ngayong mga bagong immigrant, I can take part my experience that, you know what,
Thank you very much.
I've been
friend.
here for 7 years with my wife. We always give up.
Okay.
But after 7 years, binigay niya sa akin, sa amin, pamilya, look at us now.
Parang
And
hopeless na, no?
Harang hopeless na nung time na yun. At to you, I know that God will answer. I can feel it.
Oh,
Bro, I can feel it, bro. I can really feel it. And even Zen, Gerald, Karina, Ujal, I can feel it. You will be here. You will be one day become a citizen of Canada.
thank you. Alright.
100%, I can feel it, brother.
Okay. Thank you for your answer. Pero hindi ka makakaligtas dito sa huling-huling tanong.
What's the last
Okay,
question?
please translate this in English. Kahit magsabay-sabay pa kayo, hindi nyo ako maaabutan. 1,
Oh.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Even you guys are ganging up with me, but I'm still gonna outrun you. Maybe.
Very nice. Thank you.
Maganda yung sinabi mo.